YouTube. So today I am going to show you the hack of Pokemon Go. First, you download the Fly GPS. Then when you reach, they will ask you to mark. The thing lah. So you go to setting and you mark it. Then, like I want to go to Hougang, the famous Snorlax place. So you just tap, or you can type over here. Here, bottom left, there got a magnifying glass. Yeah, so press inside. Yeah, then look, this is the button, and then look here. Yeah, pretty cool. Then down, let's go to then ignore my sister and my grandma, they are so annoying. Yeah, I know, right? Then you go here, look at this, we have this thing over here. This is the joystick, and this is the Fly GPS. Just tap it, you can select a place. Nope. Yeah, so going back. Nope. Going to Pokemon. I don't sign up on my account. It's pretty cool. And there you go. Okay, so bye guys.